You know, you got some big goals, 1,500 new restaurants. The most common response I see all over is, bum, 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 pedal to the metal. Work harder, work faster, work longer hours. 24/7, you know, everybody's working. I got my beeper in my backpack. I got my cell phone under my pillow. Anytime you want to get me, you can get me. I'm ready. When you buy into that, you get what I call the gatas. You know what the gatas look like at a work day? They look like this. I gotta get more business. I gotta check the numbers on this. I gotta make sure my people are motivated. Check the restaurant, make sure it's clean. I gotta make sure we do some new promotion. Check the numbers, meet with my attorney. Get over to the meeting over here. See the guys over here. Motivate these guys over here. I gotta read this paper over there. 2 weeks forecast. I gotta read this, write this, fix this, fax this, sign this, send this, check my voicemail, email, your mail, my mail. Get on my BlackBerry, Blueberry, Raspberry. I'm gonna get everything. I'm gonna get a life. Thanks for clapping, because I got to take a breath after I do that. When you're in a hurry and you're racing, you're rushing, you're roaring around, you make more mistakes.